Hi, welcome to English Hamster. Are you learning English? Great. Here we learn through stories. They are simple and interesting. You can improve English while learning knowledge. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started. Stop wasting time. Learn English step by step. Learning English takes time, practice and effort. Many people find it hard to speak, listen, read and write in English. But if you use the right ways, you can get better. If you practice every day and try different methods, you can speak English more easily. This guide gives you easy and useful tips to help you learn English. Whether you are just starting or want to improve more, these tips will help you. Listening is one of the most important parts of learning English. When you listen, you learn how to say words, understand sentences, and hear grammar. You can listen to English in many ways: audiobooks, podcasts, movies, and songs. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain will learn the sounds and patterns. First, use subtitles. Later, try watching without subtitles to test your understanding. Listen to different English accents. People speak English in many countries and their accents are different. This helps you understand English in real life. Try listening to many voices and ways of speaking. You can also take notes while listening. Write down new words and phrases. Later, try to use them when you speak. Speaking English is not easy, but you will improve if you practice. Try to speak every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. You can talk to yourself or record your voice. Speak slowly and clearly. Focus on saying words the right way. Try to think in English, not in your own language. This will help you speak faster. Use new words in your sentences to remember them. If possible, find a friend to practice speaking with. You can also describe things you see or talk about your day in English. A great way to practice speaking is called shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and try to say the same words at the same time. This helps with how you say words, your speaking flow, and speaking clearly. You can also practice in front of a mirror to feel more confident. Reading helps you learn new words, grammar, and how to build sentences. Try to read a little every day. Choose books, stories, or articles you enjoy. If you see a hard word, try to guess its meaning before checking a dictionary. Reading out loud helps your speaking too. Reading the same thing again helps you understand and remember more. Try reading newspapers, magazines, blogs, and novels. This helps you see different kinds of writing. After reading, try to say what you read in your own words. This helps you understand better and remember more. If long texts are hard, start with short articles or children's books. Later, move to harder things. Writing is also very important. It helps you learn grammar, vocabulary, and how to write better. Try writing every day. Start with a diary or short sentences about your day. Use new words in your writing. This helps you remember them. Check your spelling and grammar. You can write letters, emails, or describe pictures. Try writing short stories or essays about different topics. You can also write poems or songs in English to be creative. If you can, ask someone to read your writing and give feedback. This helps you see your mistakes and learn from them. Learning new words is important. Try to learn a few words every day. Use them in sentences to help you remember. Flashcards and groups like food, animals or colours can help. Word games like crosswords and puzzles make learning fun. Try to use new words when you speak. You can also put English labels on things at home. For example, put a sticker that says fridge on your refrigerator. This helps you learn by seeing the word every day. Learn words with the same meaning or the opposite meaning. This will help you speak and write in more interesting ways. Saying words the right way is very important. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them. Use apps to help with pronunciation. Record yourself and listen to check for mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Try tongue twisters to help with hard sounds. Many people have trouble with sounds like the in think or this. Say these words often and practice every day. Watch videos where native speakers show how to move your mouth and tongue. This helps you say words the right way. Make learning fun. Watch English movies and television shows. Listen to music. Join English groups. Set small goals to keep going. Use apps to practice English. Try speaking English in real life. For example, order food, ask for directions, or talk to someone in English. Stories are also a great way to learn. Listen to or read stories in English. This helps you understand grammar and how sentences are made. Try to retell the story in your own words. This helps you practice both speaking and writing. Be patient and stay motivated. Learning a new language takes time, but small steps every day will help you improve a lot. Listen, speak, read and write every day. You will become fluent. Remember, mistakes are normal. Just keep learning. If you travel to an English-speaking country or work with English speakers, you will learn faster. Try to use English in your daily life. You can even change your phone or computer to English. The best way to learn English is to practice every day. Try to be around English as much as possible. Watch English shows, read English books, and talk with English speakers. Learn new words, practice pronunciation, and speak with confidence. Write about different topics. Make sentences and check your grammar. This helps you speak and write better. When you listen, speak, read, and write, your English will improve step by step. Set goals to help you learn. For example, learn 10 new words each week or speak for 20 minutes every day. This helps you see your progress. If you follow these tips, learning English will be fun. The most important thing is to keep going and not give up. Every step you take will help you become better. Learning English should be exciting, not boring. Stay focused. You will improve a lot. Keep practicing, and soon you will speak English with confidence and ease. Hey, if you learned something new today, please give this video a like. Write your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and it really helps to create more English videos for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.